guys, ito po yung tanghalian namin ni Rani, bangus na paksiw. So, iinitin ko muna bago namin kakainin syempre. At si Rani, nagluto siya ng pagkain niya bukas kung maghahaligodan siya. Magluluto siya nito para hindi siya lalabas. Kasi may sarili kaming kwarto sa taas. So, ito yung pagkain ni Rani tomorrow. What kind of beef and potatoes? This one, tempe. Yan, tempe siya, soybean siya. Soybean, yeah. Oh. Tapos yun, niluluto niya, piniprito niya. Tapos ito, gusto ko yung makapal. Hiningi ko sa kanya. Kasi kami dito kasi sa amo namin, guys, food allowance kami. So, si Rani is Indonesia. Hindi siya makakain ng pork. So, iba-iba siya. Pero, iba-iba ng luto. Pero kung chicken lang naman lulutuin namin or beef, sabay-sabay na kami. So, yan. Paksiw na bangus. 3 days na yun siya, pero okay pa naman, so never mind. And ito din yung rice namin. Puro luma, kasi pag nandito si ma'am, dadamihan na namin pagluto para yung madalian. Syempre, pag nangamuhan ka, mahirap yung magluluto ka. So, kailangan may ano talaga, kahit luma na, ilagay mo lang sa ref para mabilis lang initin. Huwag naman masyadong matagal. Kung sobrang makulan talaga siya. Yan yung likod ng bahay ng amo ko. Ano siya? Yung kagubatan. Kalasangan. So, maulan ngayon, guys, dito. Ay! Hindi mo makita yung dagat. Sinigang na bangus, guys. 2 days na yan. 3 days na pala. Ayan. Lagi siyang may... What is that, Ran? Iced tea? Milk tea.
Iced coffee.
Kanin is life talaga, guys. Tapos yun. Okay, let's see. Let's eat, guys. Sinigang na bangus. At saka tempe. Gusto ko ito. Fat. Aking akayan.
What's the name?
Tempe. Lagi akong sabihan ni Rani na ano daw, hindi tama yung pag-pronounce ko sa tempe. Rice is life. So let's eat. Lord, thank you for the food. Let's eat, guys. Then how much the tempe like this? How much? Like the one that you buy. This is expensive. How much? But it's nice. It's fried rice. Fried rice. Only fried.
It's okay. It's a different way to cook.
It's okay also put in the soup. Come, guys. Kakaayos lang ni ma'am. Kaya kumain na kami ni Rani. Halos maglinis na kami. Kanya-kanya na kaming area. Ano ulam niya? Gusto ko sa bangus, sinigang at saka prito. Okay din naman paksiw. Pero pag paksiw kasi, yung time na nandito si ma'am, ayaw niya yung amoy suka. Ito talaga si, ano oh.
Ano na? Maybe, daan na.
Kahit 3 days na siya, okay pa rin. Okay pa rin yung lasa. Pag nagluto kasi kami dito, kailangan damihan na namin para like 3 days. For example, adobo, like pang 1 week kasi wala kaming time magluto. Kailangan may stock kami na niluto. Food allowance kasi kami. Gusto ko sa bangus mataba.
What is mataba?
Fat.
Mataba is fat.
The rest is look like not yet cooked.
Who gonna cook yesterday?
Sarah.
That's all. Like the hard one.
Only 10 minutes my petition. 5 minutes more. Gusto ko Jesu? Sila ni kasi, makakain lang siya ng sinigang na fish soup at saka chicken. Pag pork ayaw. Siyempre. Sarap. Ay, ang sarap ng tempe talaga. Do you put this one, the cornstarch or the flour?
I put 3 kind of flour.
How much? Like?
Cornstarch, the rice flour, and the flour.
Glutinous rice. For what? Why you mix 3?
So the texture is like that.
Who told you?
The YouTube I checked.
I thought in the Indonesia, that's the way how you cook.
Yeah, the way you cook like that.
3
Must be for me and make
cornstarch. Okay.
Glutinous rice
I don't know if we have this one in the Philippines.
flour. You can make business like that. Maybe that you are the first ever that
No, I think
make
we don't have
business.
that one in the Philippines.
That's why I said you are the first to make business like this.
How I buy this one in the Hong Kong or in Indonesia?
I don't know how to make. You don't know how to. I think you just buy the soya beans and then make the
It's
fermentation.
very hard then. I don't know one.
Yeah.
And then, yung balabala din nila, gusto ko yun. Bininta ko ngayon sa Pinas yung umuwi ako.
Because in Indonesia, you can find a lot of like this.
Because this is your like specialty.
No, for breakfast is good.
Hamay with the coffee?
Mm.
Pang coffee pala nila to.
Bala-bala also for the breakfast.
In the Philippines with breakfast like rice also.
Yeah,
Fried
that's also.
fish.
That's also. Where the same
Yeah, I know.
rice is okay. It depends of you what you want to eat.
Sobrang maulan dito. Diyos ko yung sila ni Agaw-Ranel. Shout out sa'yo Agaw-Ranel. Sana okay naman yung flight ninyo. Ngayon kasi sila uuwi kasi nagtutour sila galing sa Pinas. Nagtutour sila dito sa Hong Kong.
You want like the temple there?
Ito yung tempe. Yung nito, yung soya bean siya. Tapos nilagyan ni Rani ng 3 klase harina, tapos cornstarch at saka glutinous rice. Galing, no? Sarap, guys, kumain kasi malamig. Kanin namin luma. Ulam luma. Pero, okay naman. Sitaw lang yung ko. Yung nilalagay ko sa sinigang ko kasi walang ibang gulay.
What?
Thank soup yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Kain na kayo. Bye. You can make the sounds now.